Hi friends, myself Jagabandhu Pramanik, second year MBBS student from RGKar Medical College, Kolkata. In this today's video, we'll discuss about the internship payout that is called stipend that we get in government medical college and the private medical college in India. I will specifically tell about the payout that you get in West Bengal. Okay, I am from West Bengal. I am from RGKar Medical College. So I will tell about the West Bengal payout of interns, and I will tell about the house staffship payout also. And in postgraduation, you know that is of 3 years, and in postgraduation what we get in West Bengal payout, I will tell about that also, and I will tell about the postdoctor training, first, second and third year payout that we get in West Bengal. Okay, so let's start the video. You all know that internship we have to do 1 year compulsory internship after 4.5 year of our MBBS studies, and in this internship we get previously we used to get 23,625 as stipend, and in 2019 it was increased, there was increment of 4,425 rupees, and the total amount that comes today is 28,050. This is the total amount the intern get as the stipend. Those who are preparing for NEET UG, you all know that what is the importance of giving test series. So Unacademy has come up with a new Unacademy Combat that is conducted on every Sunday. You can give this test series for free. Okay, in this test series, if you get top 3 rank, then you will get 100% scholarship for the Unacademy plus subscription, and if you get in top 100 rank, then you will get another additional discounts. Okay, you can avail this offer by using our code BONGMEDICOS, PONGMEDICOS, that is written below, and you can get the link in description for this Unacademy Combat. You will get live scoring of these test series and live ranking and different prizes. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity and enroll for this test series for free by using our code BONGMEDICOS. And there is another offer for you, that if you buy 12-month subscription from Unacademy, then you will get 2 months extra free for that, and if you get 24 months or 2 year subscription, then you will get 3 months extra for that. So don't miss this offer and take subscription in Unacademy by using our code BONGMEDICOS, BONGMEDICOS. Okay,
link of the Unacademy Compact is given in description. You can check out from the description and use our code BONGMEDICOS for unlocking this test series for free. And if you want any financial assistance, Unacademy is providing you loan. Fill up the form in description to avail this loan offer.
Let's come to house staffship. You all know that house staffship. What is house staffship? House staffship is after you get the MBBS degree, you can apply for house staffship in different medical colleges in West Bengal or other states in India. In house staffship, previously it was given 38,391 rupees, and there was an increment of 5,367 rupees, and the final payout that in today's date is 43,758. Okay, and after you do the house staff, or you cannot do also. After the internship and MBBS degree, maximum medical students start preparing for their PG exams, NEET PG, and after you get the PG, in first year it was previously given 38,391, and after that there is increment of 5,367 rupees, and that comes to 43,758. So the amount that house staffship we get in house staffship is equal to the amount that you get in postgraduate training in first year. Okay, let's come to postgraduate training second year. Previously we used to get 41,344 rupees, and there was an increment of 5,780 rupees, and the total amount that comes is 47,125 in today's date. Okay, let's come to postgraduate training third year. Previously it was 44,257, and there was an increment of 6,193 rupees, and the total amount that comes is 50,490. Okay, this is the total amount. So let's summarize this. The total amount that interns get is 28,050. The house staffship get 43,758, and postgraduate training first year gets 43,758. That is equal to the house staffship. And postgraduate training second year we get 47,125, and postgraduate training third year we get 50,490. Okay, and let's discuss about doctor training first year. Previously it was 47,250, and there is increment of 6,609 rupees, and the total amount that comes is 53,856. And postdoctorate training second year it was 50,204, and there is increment of 7,018 rupees, and the total amount that comes is 57,222. And postgraduate doctor training third year that we previously used to get is 53,157, and there is increment of 7,431 rupees, and the new stipend that we get is 60,588. Okay, this was all about the internship, hostelship, postgraduate and postdoctor training stipend or payout that you get. This is not called the salary. This is called by the Indian government as the stipend that you get during our studies. Okay. So this was some important facts that I told about in our MBBS in West Bengal, the stipend that you get. If you want any other information about NEET UG or NEET PG or any other MBBS related or NEET related doubts, you can comment in our comment section below. Okay, I will surely help out, and we have our Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp group and Facebook ID in our description. You can contact us directly and ask your doubts. I will try to make videos on doubts that you have. Okay, so stay healthy, stay safe in this corona situation. All the best.